Data-driven testing, using polymorphism in Selenium, real-time automation strategy. Definition. Data-driven testing, DDT, means driving test execution using external data, Excel, CSV, JSON. Polymorphism helps us build flexible test functions that behave differently based on test data or input types. Analogy. Imagine a delivery van. It picks up different types of packages and delivers them all. Same van, right pointing arrow. Different behavior, right pointing arrow based on the content, data. That's polymorphism in test execution. Real-time framework code. Public class test executor. Public void execute test. String browser, string test type. WebDriver driver. If browser dot equals ignore case, Chrome. Driver equals new Chrome driver. Else if browser dot equals ignore case, Firefox. Driver equals new Firefox driver. Else throw new runtime exception. Browser not supported. Test case. Test case. If test type dot equals ignore case, login. Test case equals new login test driver. Else if test type dot equals ignore case, search. Test case equals new search test driver. Else test case equals new homepage test driver. Test case link to dot run. Less than runtime polymorphism here driver dot quit. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Interface setup. Public interface test case. Void run. Each test. Login test, search test. Implements test case interface with its own run method. This is runtime polymorphism based on test data input. Data source example, Excel CSV by JSON. Browser test type, Chrome login, Firefox search, Chrome homepage. Each row runs a different polymorphic test scenario dynamically. Tips and tricks. Use test ng at data provider or JUnit at parameterized test for DDT. Map test types to class objects using interfaces or abstract classes. Keep test logic reusable with polymorphic design. Memory trick. 1 execute test. Method right pointing arrow handles all tests, just like one remote switches between devices. Interview tip. We used polymorphism in our data-driven framework where each test case implements a common interface. Based on test type from Excel, the appropriate test class runs dynamically. Conclusion. Polymorphism plus data-driven equals high scalability plus maintainability. You write once, reuse many times. That's a test automation dream combo.